Baby, what are you doing? Snookums. Hi, handsome. For today's video, this is Mr. Baby. As you can see, he's very small. He's a kitten. He's only a couple weeks old. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Bratz doll challenge. This is a challenge that's been going around for a while. I remember a long time ago, people started doing a version of the Bratz challenge where they do the really exaggerated, like lower, like make the eyes look really big and you know, glue down the eyebrows and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a little bit more of a wearable version, something that I can handle. I never was a Bratz kind of girl, but I've been seeing so many people do this challenge and I was like, you know what, there's gotta be a GOTH Bratz doll out there. Like, that would be super cute. So I Google searched it and found an inspo pic, and here we are. So we have got basically a really kind of cutesy, girly 90s goth vibes with a very dramatic black and gray and white cut crease. We've got big fluffy lashes, we've got lower lashes, we're contoured to the gods, and of course a black lip and this little cute little heart thingy here. So I am very pleased with how this turned out. I feel like it's just Bratz enough to kind of like get the point across, but it's also like a really cute wearable look that I feel like I could totally wear any old day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you want to hang out with me and see how I created this GOTH Bratz doll look, then let's fucking do it! Okay, so we are going to be doing the GOTH Bratz doll challenge today, and our little inspiration here has pretty much just gray eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do the liquid lipstick as eyeshadow technique because I really like doing that. I know I just did a gray eye with this technique, but I'm gonna be using atomic makeup this time instead and focusing it on the outer corner. Oh, I didn't even say the name of this product. This is Canal. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm going to be using ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 00. Tiny flat little concealer brush. So in order to get like the transition from the concealer to the eyeshadow to kind of go smoothly, I just like to pat with my finger. And see how it already kind of helps blend a little bit. Next, I'm going to take a white eyeshadow to set the white concealer. And then just so it doesn't look too like flat, I'm taking a shiny white eyeshadow and putting that on top so it catches a little bit of light. Okay, so next we need a big ass wing. I'm going to use my recent favorite eyeliner. This is LA Colors Smudge Proof Liquid Eyeliner in black. We're going to do an exaggerated wing today. So just starting off by doing the line across the bottom of the lash line. And then try to follow the shape that we already laid down with eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the liquid liner and I'm just connecting from the upper wing down to the lower lash line. Drawing a line on the lower lash line, but keeping it kind of open once we get towards the inner tear duct. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the CYO Life Proof Foundation mixed with the ColourPop No Filter. For concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I'm using my Milk Makeup bronzer stick in Blaze to contour. And just setting the entire face with some translucent powder. I want to add a teensy bit more contour. You want to go for cool because the Milk bronzer stick can be kind of warm. So let's grab the Lunatic contour colors, the kind of grayish ones over here. Contour the face a little bit more. I know I have a lot of contour on right now, but it's all gonna come together. I'm gonna add a little bit of contour right here on the side of my temple, just to help really elongate my cheekbone. All right, and now we are going to grab a flat brush, flat little powder brush, dip in, and carve out the cheekbone starting at the middle of your ear and bring it all the way to the corner of your mouth. And drag down a little bit so it creates a nice little blurred line. I like to do this on the sides of my nose too, just to really create a nice straight line. And I feel like I kind of even want to do right there. We'll see how that looks. We're gonna let that sit for a little while, and my boyfriend just texted me to say that he stopped at Target while doing errands, and that, like, comment, and subscribe if you get what I mean when I say that you cannot go to Target without me. Like, that's an errand that I want to come along for, you know what I mean? Okay, so we're gonna let the bake chill here a little bit, and we're gonna move on to brows. I'm gonna use Kat Von D Super Brow in Graphite. Doing kind of like the middle part of the brow. I'm leaving the tail and the very front part undone because I want to use a pen for the tail. This is Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner. I like to use an eyeliner pen just to fill in any more empty areas and also for the tail. And then at the very front of the eyebrow, I like to just grab some black mascara and lightly just go over the hairs at the front. Alright, so brows have been completed. Let's finish up these eyes now. I'm going to take a teensy brush with a very small amount of black eyeshadow on it and just run that along the black eyeliner that's on the lower lash line just to like diffuse it a little bit. Let's pop a little white eyeliner in the waterline. This is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Seashells. Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Why is that such a tongue twister? And I'm just gonna pop some lashes on really quick. I've also got these little, very like minimal lashes that I cut, and I'm going to stick them on as like little bottom lashes. And then see how you can kind of see the lash like stop right there? I want to connect and make the fake lash look like it's blending effortlessly into my lash line. So I'm just adding a teensy bit of black eyeshadow. Lastly, I'm just adding the tiniest little bit more stone eyeshadow down here on the lower lash line. Okay, I think we can wipe away this bake now. These earrings are bopping around and my earlobes are really sensitive, so they hurt. It's like torture. I'm gonna grab a champagne colored loose highlighter and dip into that with a decent sized brush to put down kind of like as a base highlight. So I just generously slather that all over my face. And then I'm gonna go in with a pressed highlighter in a nice cool white shade and pop that on the highest points of the highlight. And popping a little bit under the brow bone as well, right at the highest part of the arch. Ooh, I almost forgot. Bratz have really big lips, so I'm gonna need to bust out my Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss, and I'm gonna pop that on right now. And we'll let that work its magic while I do blush. I'm gonna grab the same blush that I literally cannot stop using. This is Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. And the perfect blush brush in existence is also by Wet n Wild. Who would have thought? They know what they're doing over there with the blush products. Alright, and our muse has black lips, of course. So today I'm going to be using Lime Crime Velveteen in Black Velvet. I almost forgot, our doll has a little, I think it's like a little heart on her face. So I'm gonna do that because that is super cute. I'm just gonna grab a little water-based face paint because I think that'll be the easiest to work with. If you don't have that, then you could easily just use some water and some eyeshadow or liquid eyeliner, whatever you're comfortable with. Alright, now the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, transformation, challenge, experiment. I'm super stoked with how this looks. I think it's adorable. I really like the kind of goth 90s, but like glam vibes that this whole look is serving. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Look at what this freaking cat does to me when I'm trying to get my glamour shots. What are you?